You don't need tune, BMW owners.
Welcome back to another episode of Driver Battles here at Chuckwalla Raceway. Today is going to be a scorcher. We got a predicted high of 112 degrees. It's 8:05 here in the morning. We're going to try and send the cars out as fast as possible so they can get the coolest air, the perfect track conditions, and they can set the fastest time of the day. The hotter it gets, the slower the cars go. So now is a crucial time for cars to get out, get the line, get it dialed, and get out there. The battle you can expect to see is going to be an M2 competition BMW against an A90 Supra. Yes, insert all your "is that a BMW" jokes here. I could see them in the comments now. Jane versus Kevin, gonna be epic. Enough of me rambling. I'm running out of time. It's getting hotter. Let's get them on the track and let's see what they can do. We have the biggest prize we've ever came up with in the history of the show. WWE belts for the winners of each round of Driver Battles. That's right, this is the biggest present we've ever came up with. I can't even lift the freaking thing. They're heavy, they're huge. This will be the new thing. We're gonna be fighting for belts here at Driver Battles. Kevin, you got yourself a cooling towel?
No, I'm gonna go get mine right now.
You need to get a cooling towel. Yeah. It's now 110 degrees at 11:45
It's not even
a.m.
12 yet.
It's not even 12, it's 110 degrees. So first and foremost, are you staying cool?
I'm staying really cool. Everybody's taking care of us right
good.
here. So.
How's the car doing?
Car's performing amazing right now, even through the heat, not having heating issues. Tires are really good, very predictable. And I'm doing consistent laps right now, so it's nice.
Speaking of tires, what have you done to the car?
So power mod, I'm stock tune, just intake exhaust.
Yeah.
Full suspension, so I got SPL arms, MCS three-way suspension.
Yep.
And yeah, that's pretty much it.
So just a handling package basically on top of the car.
Car's reliable, power is already good from factory.
Yeah?
Yep.
Factory aero?
This is just OEM BMW M Performance kit. Yeah.
Wow, really?
So
and then exhaust?
Exhaust is a Remus race exhaust.
Catback?
Catback, full catback. No downpipes. Y'all don't need downpipes.
Burble tune?
No burble tune.
No
tune.
burble tune.
No tune. You don't need tune, BMW owners.
I think like that needs to go beyond this video somehow. So what makes you think this bad boy is gonna beat a Supra? I mean, the Supra is like the most legendary Japanese machine.
Well, BMW engineering with the M, I have the full M power baby. So all these B58, they're fast cars, but I think this car is a way better car.
So there's a little bit of bragging rights on the line. This is 100%. A real tried and true BMW against the thing over there that's a BMW Supra.
There's no bragging rights. This is the real car.
It's the real deal.
This is
You're
the
gonna
real
win
car.
because it's the real deal.
It's the real deal. No competition.
No, what size tire are you running?
275, 35, 18 square all around.
Nice,
Yep.
nice. And how are they doing today?
They're really smooth. They know the limits, so you can hear the limits. You can drive them to the limits, and you'll know exactly. And they'll grip.
Really?
Yeah.
Have you been on NT01s before?
Like 10 years ago with
Oh,
my
really?
Honda, so yeah.
Wow. And see that same tire for 10 years. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. I think we've been chatting for a while. It's just getting hotter.
Yeah.
What say we go back out on the track and see what this bad boy can do?
I'm gonna destroy her now.
Sorry, Jane. Jane.
Hi.
We had a chance to speak to Kevin, your competitor.
Oh.
And he told us the #1 reason why he's gonna win is because it's a real BMW.
Well, I sure hope he wins after saying something like that.
What's the #1 reason you're gonna win?
Driver skill?
Driver skill. Oh, shots fired. Bam, 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 Kevin. How's the Supra doing today?
It's doing good. I could be doing better, but it's doing good.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm just here to have fun, get some seat time. It's my first time at this track, so it's definitely a learning experience.
Especially in the heat.
Oh man, yeah.
What has been done to the Supra?
Not much actually, aside from aesthetically. We have Sabon hood, we have EBS fenders. I do have an Acropovic exhaust on it. No downpipe, I'm heavily relying on, you know, trying to get better as a driver.
Yeah. No tune?
No tune.
Wow, both of you don't have a tune.
Yeah.
Would you ever burble tune it?
No.
No burble tunes for the 100th time, everyone. All right, well, just aero package. What about suspension?
I'm on the best suspension on earth, RSR coilovers.
Nice.
These are the club racers. I think before I went on this suspension, you couldn't really feel what the car was doing.
Right.
I've been on a couple different suspension setups for this car, but I think RSR really takes the cake. It's very responsive,
Nice.
and it's like getting that feedback from the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Speaking of feedback, what size tire are you running?
We are running 275s.
Square?
Yes.
Wow, that's a big tire.
Yes.
Driver skill is the #1 reason why you're gonna go. You still have some room to improve.
Oh,
we
for
still
sure.
have some laps to do, and it's just gonna get hotter, so best of luck out there.
Thank you.
I can't wait to see what this Supra does at the end of the day. Times are close, so you know, you could still take it.
Okay, okay.
Good luck. What makes Chuckwalla so interesting is not only is it in the middle of the desert surrounded by mountains, plains, sand, but it's a 2.68 mile course, 17 turns. A fast time here is anything sub 2.
It's really fun to have like 3 just straight lines in the track. Going flat out is really nice. It feels fast and fun.
You can actually enter fast and just shoot straight out. It's like a roller coaster.
All right, did you guys have a good time?
Yeah.
Amazing time.
Even in the heat?
Man, it's still so fun out here.
You had such a good time, your phone's going off.
I know.
The battle of the Lees. 2 E's, 1 E. 2 turbos, 2 turbos. Blue versus red. BMW versus Supra. Go on and on and on. Let's just get to the times. Who thinks they won?
I don't know. She's got a red car. Red means fast, so.
Red does mean fast.
Oh man, but he's got driver skill and seat time.
But that's what you said you had in
Yeah,
the
but
very
he
beginning.
probably-
Sub 2 at Button Willow, and I have not yet
Wow.
with this car.
I've never been to this track.
I've been here 10 years ago.
You guys could just end out the show. Keep going. This is perfect. I love it. All right, you guys ready to find out who won?
Yes.
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to find out who won? All right, let's go. Both of you are in the 2s. It's hot, no sub 2s today. That's okay. With a time of 2, 1, 5.0, Jane Lee. Kevin, do you think you're faster or slower than that time?
I don't know. That's a pretty good time for a beginner.
First time ever?
Yeah.
Shoot, that's a pretty good time.
That's a pretty good time.
Yeah, for Chuckwalla.
Yeah.
It's like great. Especially in 105, 110, 115.
Yep.
It's not bad. Turbos hate being hot.
Yep.
True,
I was
true.
heat soaking. Yep.
Okay, with a time of 2, 0.8005. Kevin Lee, you're the winner. You get the
Let's
coveted
go.
Driver Battles belt.
Go.
If you think you're faster than Kevin and you can beat his time and take his belt, sign up below. There's gonna be a link somewhere on the screen. Kevin has the belt in this episode. Everyone's gonna be gunning for you now. Don't burn yourself, it's quite hot. Jane, thank you so much for coming out.
Yeah.
The heat was just a great equalizer. I think 2:15 is an amazing time. The car is relatively stock, so I mean, think about what this car can do out here. There's tons of potential.
For sure.
Kevin, your car is a little bit more horsepower on paper, a little bit more track prepped on paper, a little bit more of a weapon with an H. So I would say that that is the reason why it maybe did so well. Why do you think it did so well today?
I did prep my car pretty well, so, and you know, I had nightmares about this, so I made sure I was gonna get the W, so yeah.
Well, now you got the belt, wear with pride. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you think you're faster than either one of these people, sign up in the comments below. Thank you to Driving Line, thank you to Netto Tire, and we'll see you guys on the next one.
Thanks for watching. I'm Lauren Healy, Team Netto driver and off-road racing champion. Driving Line brings you weekly episodes and series, so hit subscribe. Don't miss the next video with more automotive content that fuels you. We'll see you out there.